Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the keyboard from a Dell Inspiron 1720. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Now pry open and remove power button cover. The next thing you're going to do is remove the keyboard screws. Now slide up and remove keyboard. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For heatsinks, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.